Hello friends, welcome to another video on Excel. Today we will see how to create a multiple folders by the names given here with the help of Excel. So first I will type MD and then the name whatever written here, and I will press Ctrl E. The same will copy at the downside. Then I will select these names. Then I will open Notepad. I will paste here, just copied it. I will paste here. Then I will save this notepad file by any name. I will call folder dot bat. Don't forget to add bat. Then say save. I will save it on desktop. Then close it. Minimize the Excel. Here your notepad file came here. Just double click it. Your all folders with their name appears. I hope you found this useful. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.